Hey guys, today we'll be checking out the third generation Nissan Qashqai. While this car is known for its hatchback compactness and its SUV practicalities, this car has also gone up quite a bit on the price scale. So today, stay tuned and we'll find out if this car is worth the price over its competitors. Up front, you notice the headlights are now slimmer and sharper. It features automatic LED headlamps with daytime running lights. It still carries Nissan's global design language with its signature V-motion grille and two-tone floating roof design, with an extended wheelbase and 19-inch alloy wheels. The Qashqai has a turbocharged 1.3-litre mild hybrid engine that produces 156 horsepower and 270 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour would take you 8.2 seconds. Crucially, this also puts the car into a Category B COE group in Singapore, which partially accounts for its higher price. Check out this chair here. It's finished in new Napa leather with diamond pleating, and typical usual adjustments can be made from the side. Now, as you can see here, we have a 12.3-inch driver's instrument cluster here, which shows me everything I need to know when I'm on my daily drives. Now, to my left, you can see we have a 10.8-inch infotainment system that comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And that gives me the ability to enjoy the high fidelity of the Qashqai's Bose sound system. And in addition, the Qashqai also now comes with a wireless charging pad, so that means goodbye to all your wires dangling around the cockpit. Nissan isn't stingy too when it comes to the safety aspect of this car. The Qashqai comes with emergency braking with forward collision warning, intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and intelligent cruise control. Okay guys, so now we're going to be conducting the typical car buyer practicality test consisting of the connectivity, the parking, as well as the boot space. So without further ado, let me magically transform myself into my colleague car buyer Kim. See you in a bit.
Surprise! So we're going to see how easy it is to connect your phone to the Bluetooth system in the Qashqai. And also let's see if there's wireless Apple CarPlay. So first thing, I'm going to go to settings and connections. Let's see, add new. Then I'm going to go to settings on my phone. It says look for my car. So, there it is. Okay, let's see. Pair. Allow. Okay, we're connected. Let's see if it prompts us to start Apple CarPlay. And it does. Perfect. Takes a while. Use CarPlay. Allow that. And there we go, we're in. So it's pretty easy. I would give that like a perfect 10 out of 10. Super easy to navigate, and wireless Apple CarPlay. You know, what else could you ask for?
In the boot, you get 504 litres of space, but if you fold the rear seats down, you get 1590 litres of space. And there's also cool dividers that you can put up in case, I don't know, maybe you need to hide a dead body or something.
Hey guys, so now Kim and I will be checking out the back seat of the Qashqai. Now as you can see, well, for me, I don't really have much leg room. Yeah, I'm 183. I think legroom is pretty decent, but for me, I don't think it's that cramped either. But headroom seems to be pretty fine. I don't get to like mess up my hair when I'm seated. What about you, Kim? What do you think?
Well, I am 1.65 meters, so it's kind of perfect for me actually. My legs, you know, spacious enough, and you can shuffle along if you need to without bumping into anything. And there's also 2 USB ports back here, so you can charge your stuff. And actually, I just like that the windows are not too small, because that always makes me feel very claustrophobic in class. But you know, with the reasonably sized window and the moonroof, I feel good.
And also, we have armrests with 2 drink holders.
So now we're going to put the Qashqai to the test and see how well it does in parking. And do note that this car also has 360 camera views, so that's definitely going to help you a lot. But I personally like to rely on mirrors instead of technology, so let's see how that does. Alright, there we go. Just gotta straighten it out a little bit, and there you go. There's even a beeping assist. There you go. Alright, and we are parked.
Now the main question you want to ask is, should you buy it, shortlist it, or avoid it? Our verdict is you should shortlist it. Now the Qashqai, although it's roomier than before its previous gen models and it comes with a lot more driver's assistance. However, it is on the heftier side of the price scale. And if you actually want to compare more cars, check out CarBuyer Singapore's marketplace. We have now a one-stop shop for news, reviews, and so much more.
If you're wondering how much, the top range Prestige variant shown here costs 175,800 Singapore dollars with COE.
And that's our review of the Nissan Qashqai. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our review on CarBuyer Singapore. That being said, I'm Luke. Thank you for watching.